Hi friends, so few days back AMD had this contest and I was fortunate enough to win, and they sent me this big package. A bit of drama, like it went missing for few days, but finally it's with me. So let's open the box and see. So AMD, you may know, are the GPU and processor maker team red actually. So let's dive in and see what's inside. This is the box. So minimal packaging, but it's quite secure. I am opening from the bottom down. So bubble wrap, big red ones, like pillow. So I think this is Ryzen, kinda heavy. Okay. Wow. Guys, what is this? AMD 50 Ryzen 7. How? I mean, how? Wow. AMD Ryzen 7 2700X, the beast processor with 8 core 16 thread processor. My god, my Intel was 4 core 4 threads or something. 4.3 GHz max boot, 3.7 base, discrete graphics card. Yeah, there is no onboard GPU, integrated GPU, integrated graphics exactly. I don't care. So scan for more info. I may scan, but OMG, wow, AMD India, 50 years of innovation. I had no idea, frankly. So let's read the side of the box. Sorry if I fumble, like this is very new to me. This box includes installation instruction, limited warranty information, and a thermal solution designed for use on desktop. I think this is the Wrath Prism, to be clear. Okay. Okay, so it's 2019 AMD macro device, all right reserves. So AMD Global and all this. Okay. Advanced microsystem, pure California. So I'm honestly surprised, like with this. Yeah, the red prism. I won't be making the video long because I may not open it for now, because I am waiting for few parts to arrive, and I will try to add this to the intro to that video. That will be a longer version. So it's AMD 50, AMD 2700X. This is the signature list, as I can say. This is the limited edition AMD Ryzen from them. It's gold. Normally it's red. So I'm quite happy with AMD India. So all I need is to have a motherboard or something. Okay, they have some paper with it. I may not show that. That's in the box. I think hopefully I will use this at the starting of the next video, or upload it individually, whatever way you guys can see it. So thank you AMD, thank you AMD India, thank you.